Time to get building. Printing time. Fire up the trusty foot sander. More sanding. Use primer like a banther spray. Realize the components are broken. But wait, more sanding. Fill those pesky gaps. The Empire is watching. Add the final coat of white. Hand paint the details. Forget sanding and make it look real. Messy weathering. Time to get your lightsaber and begin your training. Have you realized you don't like sand yet? Follow me on Instagram for a chance to win a prize.